Is it too late to buy China Pharma Holdings Inc? China Pharma Holdings Inc. It's currently up about 30% in this current session, the session of the 29th of March 2021. So we can see today it reached a 52-week high, and it says here price reached a new 52-week high of $1.63. This exceeds the previous high of $1.31 by $0.32, and it is 409.38% above the 52-week low of $0.32. And volume also spiked. It says volume spiked. Trading volume exceeded the 10-day average of 16.425 million shares by 4,764.05%. Price crossed above 50-day moving average. Price rose through the 50-day moving average of $0.990 on the above average volume. So that is nice. It has it's recording this highs, especially the price wise, with high volume as well. So that's really good. And it has a market cap of $36.3 million for the 3.58 million shares outstanding. And we can see that unbalanced volume indicator is strongly bullish, but the MACD is below the signal line. Sorry, the MACD histogram is below zero. Momentum, I think we will see. It looks like it's just trying to get a little bit, move a little bit sideways, but we'll see. MACD, I believe, may be below the signal line, but all of these are just over 10 to 14 days. So it says CPI appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend, although its MACD is presently below the signal line. Shares remain at 6.3% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. Comparative relative strength analysis shows it's lagging the S&P 500. So what is going on right now in this session has not really changed the data over the last 14 days. So it's still saying it is correcting within a longer term bullish trend. So it will be the longer term bullish trend will be this 200-day trend line. So maybe if you count 10 days back, it is still up to 10% less than what it was previously. So all the way back, okay, maybe not. So all the way 10-day trading sessions backwards, so that be okay, maybe not. So right now I think it has since left the correction zone, so it's no more correcting, I believe. So the momentum for CPI is measured by 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is waning. This means that investors are less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits from positions but at lower prices. Today's volume is on track to be heavier than usual, with 5.819 million shares having traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. Okay, so yes, over the you can see that it's strongly bullish. Over the last 10 to 14 trading sessions, buyers are definitely more active than sellers, but momentum is not so wonderful. Even with what is going on today, it hasn't still changed anything. So at some point in the pre-market session, Cphi was up over 100%. So if you look at this 5-minute chart, you can see that at some point it's reached $154, so close to 100%. As a matter of fact, in the pre-market session it recorded about 110%. So moving on, I would say, or rather the question is it too late? Well, I think yes, it's a bit late now, because as at The opportunity was as at the close of, or rather just before the close of the 26th of March. That was when the opportunity was still available. On all the way, yes, 24th, 25th, it was when the opportunity was there for 3 sessions or something like that. It had, the opportunity was there for anybody to jump in, and at that time it was trading at $0.83, and today now the train has left the station. Yes, now that it has now exceeded all of its short and intermediate trend lines. So I wouldn't suggest that you just jump in unless you know what you're doing. Yeah, by all means, it's a bit late now. Just hold on and see if it's going to correct downwards anymore, pull back, or consolidate. So yes, it has appreciated by 30%, and I would recommend that you jump in at the moment, unless you want to do so for other fundamental reasons, and also the fact that it's just a penny stock. You can always put in a small amount of money and see how things turn out. But it's up about 30%, and the opportunity to buy the dip has since elapsed. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video.